Hi everyone! In this video, I'll explain to you how to disable Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. First, click on Ctrl Shift and Escape. Here on Task Manager, look for Adobe Genuine Software Client. Right-click on it and click on Open File Location. After that, there will be a pop-up of files. Now, right-click on it again and click on End Task. Now on its file location, look for and click on Adobe GC Client at the top tabs. Now, right-click on it and rename it by adding a delete word on it. Now, right-click on the file and delete it. If there will be a pop-up because some app might be still running, just open the Task Manager again and go to Details. Now, look for the app that pops up and right-click on it. Then click on End Process. After that, you click try again. So you can delete it. After deleting, restart your computer and that's it.